Healthy life is everyone's aim. There is nothing better than achieving it by following simple healthy habits in day-to-day life. But to acquire it properly, we must be aware of whether those habits are helpful or not. Many myths exist which have put in our brains that these habits are healthy, whereas in reality, all they do is harm. Following is the list of 8 such habits that are not as good as they may seem to you. Eating fat-free products to avoid those extra kilos. People with high cholesterol or with obesity are told to take foods with no fats. In fact, in our grocery stores, we find many food items with the 0% fat tag. Many people have the mentality that if they consume these products, they will lose weight. But because of the flour, refined sugar, and many preservatives, instead of shedding the kilos, they gain more weight. Drink water as much as you can. Water is necessary for the proper functioning of the body, and it even beautifies the skin. However, excessive of anything has its side effects, and water is no exception. Too much water consumption can disrupt normal functioning of the kidneys and change blood's properties. Hence, it is recommended to drink not more than 2 liters of water per day. Sun exposure can provide us with vitamin D. It is true that sunlight exposure provides us vitamin D, but to process this vitamin, our bare body should be exposed to sunlight, that is, without using any sun shield. This is very harmful for the skin. Excess exposure to the UV rays of the sun can cause skin burns, dryness. And it is also responsible for developing skin cancer. Only crunches can help to get rid of belly fat. While planning to lose weight, many people focus only on doing ab exercises. Although exercises really help to a great extent in shaping a flat stomach, but to get the desired results, it is equally important to adopt a healthy diet along with the exercises. Taking vitamin supplements. Most people think consuming more supplements is good for health and it can fulfill our vitamins and minerals needs. But they do not know that too much of such supplements have side effects too. They should not be taken without medical supervision. So, one should always stick to a healthy diet for these vitamins and minerals. Whitening of teeth. Nowadays people take help of teeth whitening procedures to get shining white healthy teeth. But this has side effects such as cracked and damaged teeth enamel, and in extreme cases even the taste and flavors are altered. Cleaning our ears. Some people have the misconception that they should clean their ears daily. Ear wax is a secretion with antiseptic action that shields the ear canal from germs and other contaminants. In case we try to remove it using an earbud, the inner ear is exposed to infections. In worst cases, this bad habit even causes hearing problems as these sticks push the wax inside. This blocks the ear canal and even causes loss of hearing. Eat more during pregnancy. It is believed that women must eat twice as much during pregnancy so as to fulfill child's nutrition needs. This belief is entirely wrong and leads to unnecessary weight gain. Along with it, it increases the risk of diabetes and birth complications. Thus, it is advised to keep a balanced diet with a healthy lifestyle.